Ladies and gentlemen, the right to take part in public affairs lies at the heart of democracy. It is guaranteed under Article 59 of our Constitution and affirmed in Article 21 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, as well as other regional and international instruments. The right to vote is not just a legal entitlement, it is the lifeblood of democracy. Voting is not a mere procedure. It is a profound expression of sovereignty and collective will. Through the ballot, citizens shape the direction of the nation, give legitimacy to leadership, hold duty bearers accountable, and influence the choices that affect their daily lives. Elections allow the people to express both their aspirations and their dissatisfaction, and to decide who should lead them. Uganda has made important progress in building democratic institutions, yet challenges persist, including voter apathy, intolerance, electoral violence, misinformation, and distrust in the process. As we approach the 2026 general elections, we must renew our commitment to peace, fairness, and freedom. Peaceful elections are a shared responsibility. Political leaders must refrain from inflammatory rhetoric. Security agencies must act with professionalism. Citizens must exercise their rights with respect and tolerance. Free elections require that every Ugandan, regardless of gender, age, political affiliation, or background, can participate without fear. Fair elections demand equal rules for all, impartial institutions, and respect for the will of the people. For our part, the Uganda Human Rights Commission will continue to monitor the human rights situation before, during, and after elections. We will provide independent recommendations to enhance credibility, inclusivity, and public trust in the process. Let us remember, elections are not an end in themselves. They are a means to achieve good governance, social justice, and sustainable development. Elections should not divide us, but unite us in choosing leaders who serve the people faithfully.